Hello, my name is Felice and I will now talk you through my poster which is called Inner Speech Facilitates Lego Construction. My research investigates how people encode and implement instructions, and I'm especially interested in the role that inner speech plays in this process. Theories of skill acquisition and instruction following suggest that language plays an important role in instruction following. Data from recent studies support this, but most of these studies have used computerized choice reaction time tasks, and they do not adequately capture the complexities of instruction following in everyday life. And so, with the current study, I wanted to investigate the role of inner speech in instruction following in a more naturalistic setting, using Lego as the experimental task. Moving on to the method, 60 participants took part in this study, and each participant completed 10 simple Lego Duplo builds. You can see pictures of the builds used in this study below. Each build consisted of about 9 bricks each, and prior to each build, participants were shown a 15-second instruction phase, which was essentially a picture of the completed build. And that picture was then put away, and then the participant completed the build, and the experimenter recorded the completion times and accuracy of each build. Now, crucially, during this 15-second instruction phase, participants performed either a verbal or a non-verbal distractor task. The verbal distractor task was articulatory suppression, and the non-verbal distractor task was foot tapping. The main prediction was that if inner speech supports Lego construction, then performance should be worse in the verbal distractor task condition compared to the non-verbal distractor task condition. The results were consistent with this prediction. As you can see from these graphs, if people had performed a verbal distractor task during the instruction phase, and these are the red bars, completion times were increased and error scores were increased as well, compared to when participants had performed a non-verbal distractor task during the instruction phase. I'm going to skip over the exploratory analysis in the interest of time, but to summarize, these results clearly show that when a verbal distractor task is performed, the implementation of instructions is impaired, and therefore these results show that inner speech plays an important role in Lego construction. Now, if you want to talk to me more or ask questions about this project, or you're interested in collaborating, please don't hesitate to send me an email or come and find me at my poster if you're at the EPS. Thanks for listening.